Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am doing a submission for the James Charles casting call. He is doing a new reality series on his channel for beauty influencers, so this is my submission. I'm gonna go ahead and jump right into this because it has to be under 5 minutes. So I'm taking the P. Louise base and pressing that all over my lid. And when I first watched his video, I was super excited. Honestly, there's not many opportunities for small influencers, so this is amazing. And I'm going to go ahead and take the James Charles palette for this look. And this is a look that he posted. This is the look that he posted a while ago. So I'm going to go ahead and recreate this look with his palette. I'm going to take the yellow shade. And I'm going to start packing this in the center, or the inner portion of my crease. The red shade on a fluffy brush, and I'm going to go ahead and place that on my outer corner of my crease. A smaller brush, and I'm going to dip into the hot pink, and I'm just going to like slowly blend that into the outer corner of the red. I started with makeup when I was about 12 years old. I didn't really get into it up until about 7 years ago. I've been on YouTube for a little over a year now. It took me quite a while to start on YouTube. I had videos made for over a year. Honestly, I was really nervous. I don't know what even, because I'm not really like a shy person. So I don't really know why I was so nervous. I don't know. About me, I have 2 dogs. I love them dearly. I live with my boyfriend. I'm Hispanic, I'm Mexican, I have a really big family, I have 8 brothers and sisters. I've lived in Iowa my whole life. I've traveled, but I've never moved. I'm gonna set mine with a white. He has more of like a skin tone shade, but I like using white personally. So I'm gonna go ahead and use a white. Actually, I might use like a shimmery white. And he does have like a little bit of like blue glitters down here, so I'm gonna go ahead and take these little blue ones and I'm gonna mix it with ColourPop Disco Lady as well. I think I would uniquely bring is, I thought about this question for a while because I didn't really know what to answer it by, but the only thing that would come to my mind is like creativity, but like making it your own. You know what I mean? Like, that's one thing I really like about makeup, is I can like be creative, but I can also make it like my own. What are you barking at? Huh? What are you barking at? This opportunity would do for me. What it would do for me? It would. How do I put this briefly? It would completely change my life. I saw this video. I was like, something clicked in me. I was like, I need to at least give it a shot. Like, I wouldn't be at peace if I at least didn't try. So, here I am. And I'm going to go ahead and play some fancy gloss. I always use the backside because I don't like that much. I just like to kind of tap it on. And there. Yeah, that's why I'm so glad when I heard about this. Like, even if it isn't me, like, just for smaller artists in general, like, this is huge. It really is. I literally use this palette and, like, every single look I've done. Like, at least 80% of my videos I'm using this palette, so I'm a Dark Heart fan. And that completes this James Charles inspired look. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and thank you so much to James Charles for giving this opportunity to smaller artists. I can't tell you how much. Hey! Anyway, thank you so much to James Charles for this opportunity for smaller artists. Like I said, I was super ecstatic in my heart for just the smaller community in general. It's such a good opportunity, and I just want to say thank you to James for putting it all together and thinking of the smaller artists. And please show your love on this video. I know he's going to be checking like likes and views, I'm assuming, so please show your love below. I would really love to be a part of this competition. We'll link all the products I use below because I know I didn't really mention since I was talking so much. So I'll mention all those below. You can follow me on Instagram and on Twitter, both at RosaXRobles, and you can follow me on TikTok. I just made one, so please follow me on there. It is at RosaXRobles as well. And thank you guys again so much for watching, and please like my video, and I'll see you in my next one.